Silver continues to plummet. When will the bleeding stop? Good morning, everybody. I am back, everybody. Silver continues to plummet this last week. Is the bleeding going to stop? Are we going to continue to plummet down to $60 an ounce? We're going to talk about that this morning's gold and silver update, everybody. But thank you for hanging in there with me. I have been sicker than a dog. I have had an extremely bad 48-hour stomach bug. Unlike anything I've had in a long, long time. Haven't even got to have some coffee. So here we go. We got coffee, everybody. My first sip of the day. First sip in 48 hours, everybody. Or, yeah, since Sunday. So, thank God for coffee. If you're new to this channel, everybody, welcome to the channel. Everybody's still expecting silver and gold to really rocket later on this year. Gold is not as quickly as silver, but they are expecting them to really, really go up later on this year, not as soon as we expected earlier in the year. And as we predicted by July, that's definitely not going to happen. Of course, you never know. The volatility of silver is extreme right now. And gold is coming down, but it's not as volatile as silver, everybody. But we're going to talk about that. So what is gold right now? Gold is $4,166, guys. It's down almost $93 an ounce this morning. It continues to fall. Everyone's silver is at $63.78 an ounce. Is it going to go down below 60? This is a phenomenal buying opportunity for everybody. A lot of people are like all bummed out and they're going and selling their silver. I'm like, oh my, I'm losing out. Their fear of missing out on the high silver prices, everybody. That's not what it's all about, everyone. It's a long-term hold. We're at 63.75 on silver right now. Are we going to hit 60? Are we going to go below 60? I think it's a massive, massive buying opportunity because we're going to have another $40 rocket in price. And I think that's going to happen soon in this year for sure. And so are the experts, everybody. All the experts are talking about silver still going over $100 an ounce this year, and we're still going to see $6,000 gold. So if you haven't bought any, I suggest maybe you start thinking about buying some silver and gold, everybody. There's nothing negative about this. Let me grab my little thingy here. Hang on just a second. All right, so green, everybody. Now, hey, if you know me on this channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Thank you, everybody all over the world and all over the United States for watching our channel. I'm just the quarterback. You're the team, everybody. Remember that. You make it successful. This is a slow month for silver. June is typically a slow month for silver and gold, and we're obviously seeing that. We're in the dumpster diving action going on right now. So I'm going to be doing some dumpster diving myself, but I got to get with Mrs. SSC and see what kind of budget we have, everyone. So 63.84 now on silver. Platinum is really, really down. It's $1,667, guys, and palladium is $1,203, and rhodium is actually up. Rhodium is at $7,550. If I can remember to talk about this, there are some pretty good sized factors creating issues for silver right now. I don't think silver is going to hit 150 anytime soon, as all the big experts have been predicting this year 150 plus. I don't think we're going to go there. I mean, could I be wrong? I've been wrong many, many times, guys. I've been wrong on predictions up, and I've been wrong on falls down. Right now, we're falling down. So, yeah, $7,550 on rhodium, everyone. Hong Kong right now is 64.48 on silver and 4,188 on gold. And Mumbai is at 4,174 on gold and 63.48 on silver. I'm telling you guys, that flu was terrible. I've never had anything like that. Not in a long, long time, everybody. So that's why you didn't see me on Monday. You didn't see me on Tuesday. That's why, trust me. I made it to work, and I worked till about 1 o'clock, and I couldn't handle it anymore, everybody. So I gave it my best for sure. But I didn't survive. I came home and I slept from, I don't know, 3 o'clock till now. We're at 4:53 a.m. So I got up at 4 a.m. here to do this video. So what's the gold to silver ratio this morning? Guys, the gold to silver ratio has gone way up. So gold is outperforming silver right now. And I have some gold coming, by the way. I'm pretty excited to show it this Sunday. Really cool little gold nuggets that we got. Pretty cool. 65-27 is the gold to silver ratio. If you don't know what that is and you're new to stacking silver and you're saying, hey, I'm going to start stacking some silver right now while the prices are down, that is how many ounces of silver does it take to get 1 ounce of gold? So as it continues to go up, if we can, if it ever goes up to 100 to 1 again, I'll trade gold for silver. If it goes down to 25 to 1, we'll trade silver for gold, everybody. And we got the trusty fly over here flying around as they always do when I open the door and drink coffee. And there, oh my gosh, guys. So let's move on to our base metal prices. So with everything that's going on in the market today, what are our base metals? How are they holding up? How's copper holding up? How's nickel holding up? Well, copper's holding up extremely well. It's still at 620. You would think with the way things are going right now with silver and gold that copper would drop dramatically down under 6. It has not, everyone. It's still staying around 620 a pound, and nickel is holding in there over $8 at $8.14. Aluminum still holding about $1.62. So our base metals, everyone, are still doing fantastic. Let's look at our India and our Shanghai. Let's start out with Shanghai right now. Shanghai, guys, usually the highest ones on the market price on silver is at 71.67. Now they're quite a bit higher than we are, but they're still way lower than what they have been in the past. So a lot of investing being pulled out of silver and gold right now because of some of the economic news that we've had here lately. India, guys, India is still at $80.24. Happy India. Holding that price up, guys. A lot of this stuff is paper. A lot of it's paper. So what is our oil prices? Now, here's what's funny. This is pretty significant. Our oil is at 88.71. Let me refresh this real quick. Make sure we're right. So yeah, we're at 88.71 a barrel. And everybody, our dollar is at 99.85, still holding pretty strong. You would think with oil coming down that our silver would hold a little bit stronger than it has, but our dollar's holding strong. So that's kind of counteracting things in our Let's see what is going on here. Oh, okay, yeah, and we're still at 63.84 on silver. So a lot of things that are happening right now that I've noticed is because the silver skyrocketed when we had that massive January peak on silver, and then that massive drop. We're down. We got down to 63.55 on COMEX, I think, early this morning. And the biggest drop we've had in a long time, the lowest price we've had in a long time, guys. We were expecting some price dips and some price corrections. I didn't know that, or did not expect it to be this much. But this is not a bad thing. This is a good thing, everybody. This, whether silver goes up or it goes down, you're either making money on it or you're making money on it because you can buy it cheaper, right? So there's nothing bad about gold and silver right now. I think this is a fantastic time to start investing in silver while you can, whether it be a half ounce or a quarter ounce or what it might be. But hey, look, they are starting to pull out and have some alternative ways on solar panels and all that, guys. So they're kind of pulling away from silver because the prices got so high. They were expecting, and the predictions were very, very high in all of 2026. So a lot of the solar manufacturers started to come out with ways to use copper instead of silver. So they're using a lot more copper in solar panels. Well, that's going to drive the price of copper up now. And then when copper goes really high, then they'll probably go back to silver. The conductivity of silver is really high, and it's high on copper, not as good as silver. But they're coming up with ideas to change that up in our solar panels. They're pulling back a little bit on the industrial sector of silver, so that's causing silver to retreat, along with many other things like the COMEX, the paper pushers. A lot of them are bailing out right now because they can buy into treasury bonds, interest-bearing funds, and everything like that right now, so they're retreating. But will it come back? Yes, it will come back, everybody. Even the big boys, JP Morgan, we're still predicting 81, 85 to over $100 an ounce this year, everyone. So if you get in at 60 or 65 an ounce, guys, even 68 ounce, you're holding your investment. You're still going to go up in value. This is a very, very long-term hold, everybody. And I'm happy that I've got mine. It doesn't matter if I bought in at 100, which I have, at 95, which I have. I bought in a lot of specialty stuff. I got an incredible special Libertad to show you on Sunday that we bought into. We got some other incredible things to show you that are coming. So hang in there with us. Let's look at our gold backs, everybody, right now while we can. Let's retreat this, or no, let's refresh this. Let me hit this button right here. Had to dismiss that alarm right there. 852 right now on gold backs. What a great time for you guys that you can invest in gold backs in 24 karat gold, everybody. 852. And don't forget about that gold back. We're doing that wicked gold back giveaway, that incredible gold back giveaway. And we got some more giveaways to give away provided by one of our viewers that I will show you tomorrow that we got in, and they gave us some stuff that's just absolutely beautiful. So we're going to be adding to that gold back giveaway at 10,000 subscribers, everybody. We're at 9,823. We're not far, everybody. We're not far. So let's get there. Let's get to that 10,000. We're really close. These are all generic subscribers. None of my subscribers in the last year and a few months have ever been bought, everybody. So they've all been because of you. So watch this video through, everybody. We appreciate it very much. That's what pushes the algorithm to push it to the right people. So we're at 41.67.30 on gold right now, guys, and 63.85 on silver. Wow, what a buying opportunity. I'm excited about this. Usually I've been going, oh man, hey, I don't want to do a video because I've been predicting $100 silver by July. It doesn't matter. If I predict $100 silver by July, all it does is drive the price down. And you know what? It's a better buying opportunity for me too. I'm not going to retreat out of silver because it's dropping. I'm not going to retreat out of silver because it skyrockets. It's a dollar cost average. You get to buy more now. Think about that. When we were at $100 an ounce and we're at 63, let's say $64 an ounce right now, think about that buying opportunity, right? So $35 an ounce extra you get to spend. So that's a half ounce of silver basically you can buy with the retreat that silver is in right now. So $63.96 on silver, $1,666 on platinum. Everybody, things are actually doing very well for silver and gold. I'm not going to complain because they're going down, because we can buy more, right? So you always have to have a very positive attitude about silver and gold and look into it, everybody, as a hedge for inflation, because inflation's not going away, everybody. Inflation's coming back. Inflation's going to rocket. We had those numbers that are really good for America. The jobless numbers are reports and stuff that came out. Really changed things a lot for silver and gold. Looks like things are going better, but hey, the dollar is still going to continue to drop. And, I hate to say happy coffee to that, but that drives our silver prices up or holds them strong. And things will continue to rocket on silver. We are in a June phase right now, the gloom and doom June, right? Where silver drops, we get to buy, and then all of a sudden, what happens? Why is silver going up? What's going on right now? July, August, September, October, November, December. We're going to find out, guys. It's going to happen. I don't bet my reputation on it like some of you do on this on YouTube, but I will say it's going to go back up. There's no doubt about it. So if you hold $100 silver right now, guys, don't worry about it. Don't sell it. Don't panic sell. So many are panic selling. Stop it. Stop it. That's not what it's all about. It's your savings account that you're holding. It's better than a dollar, trust me. So everybody have a fantastic hump day. I didn't say happy hump day when I got on here, but I do feel so much better. Thank you for hanging in there with me, everybody. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America, guys. And we are, let's see my little thingy right here? All I got to do is punch this little deal here, and then I can be done. But let's say a quick little prayer. Heavenly Father, may you bless my viewers. May you bless my viewers' families. May you bless people all over the world, Lord, before it's too late. And let us concentrate on the 80% that we have and not the 20% that we seek. Everybody have a great hump day. Happy coffee. I'm back. I got to make up some time, so I'll probably do a video tomorrow. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America, guys. I'm out.